Good afternoon and welcome back to the weather report here at Mylor. Today we are shooting from Tethra, the Blue River Table Floating Restaurant, which is run by Charlotte and Jess. They've had a great summer. Thank you for all that have taken part, and for you, those that haven't, it's a great experience and we thoroughly suggest it for next year. I for one got to enjoy an afternoon out this summer on the boat and it was fantastic. Apart from that, we don't really have any other notices for this week. All I can think of is that it is our last weather report for this season. We're definitely going to be continuing next year, so thank you for all your support and we hope that you'll be tuning in again. So let's move on to the weather. As many of you know, it's been a wet and windy couple of weeks, and unfortunately that doesn't look like it's going to change until the middle of next week. As for tomorrow, we've got steady winds, west-southwest, 20 knots, blowing up to 30. Chance of rain in the morning, but clearing up in the afternoon for some nice sunshine. Saturday, again, 15 to 20 knots of wind, switching around to the southwest. Quite an overcast day with chances of quite heavy showers in the afternoon. As for Sunday, again, we've got strong winds, west-southwest, finishing west in the afternoon, 25 to 35 knots. The only positive for Sunday is chances of rain in the morning, but for the rest of the day, maybe just some overcast and hopefully clearing up later on in the evening for quite a pleasant afternoon. For the rest of next week, again, generally windy, rainy and overcast. Finally, the wind calming down on Wednesday. For all of you that are looking to move your boats, middle of next week onwards is a good time to do it. That's all from us here at Mylor for this season. Thank you very much for tuning in, and we look forward to doing all this again next year.